Welcome to the always sunny Chicago for the 2010 NeoCon show at the Merchandise Mart. You can see it was a very well-attended show, very busy. Let's go ahead and head upstairs to the Herman Miller showroom where we're showing some of the Vivo and Intent enhancements. This is a screen made out of felt, kind of a new kind of screen design. And here's another new offering from Herman Miller where we're showing some of this plastic sort of puzzle piece screen. Really neat little aesthetic on that one there. And new also in the Vivo and Intent enhancements are these new storage options. We've got above storage cubbies and below storage credenzas and benches and integrated seated benches. And oh, here's a great new overhead. They're calling this the yin yang overhead, where it's kind of shared between two users and can be accessed from either side of the workstation. So here's a great new system from Herman Miller. It's the platform bench, and this platform can span up to 10 feet between support members, and it can be supported either with one of these kind of picnic table style legs or one of the larger kind of credenza type storage components that you see there. And this benching platform type system is something that we're going to see more from Herman Miller. This is kind of one of their offerings showing this bench. Here's another one. This is the ABOX system. And this one was specifically showing some of the new CBS monitor arms. Here it is, kind of a trader desk setup with 6 monitors. And on the other side, just one kind of jumbo extra large monitor. All very simple, very stable application, shown very nice on the ABOC benching system. And then also in another corner of the showroom we have a new Intent product. That's a new Intent leg there, and that's coupled with a Meridian, kind of a collaborative Meridian setup. You can see the new Meridian support legs on that as well. And then also a new comprehensive table line. This is called the Everywhere tables from Herman Miller. And these are offered in kind of training situations. They also are available with a flip top, as you can see here. And freestanding applications as well as height adjustable. Here's a electronically height adjustable, very fluid motion on that. And then also there's a crank height adjustable that hits a really nice price point, and that's the Everywhere tables from Herman Miller. And also the Swoop lounge system from Herman Miller. The Swoop lounge includes some new seating products as well as these Swoop tables. Great for cafeterias and whatnot. And here's Marilyn talking about some of the new technology.
So what we're showing here is a Dell Latitude Z laptop, which is the first laptop manufacturer that's incorporated wireless power actually inside the laptop. So that's what this is. And then we have our e-coupled wireless power built into the work surface. So it's not magic. The work surface is plugged in. It has to be plugged in. Right. But the notion of having 2 or 3 spots where you can power devices is kind of interesting with one adapter, and it's not hanging off the back of the work surface, right? Which is ideal. I put the case on the iPhone, and I put it here on the Herman Miller shelf, and you'll see it start to charge. Right?
And here we have a gold winner for Herman Miller. This is the Flow monitor arm. You can see the fluid motion and the ability to position your monitor in just about any place you'd like it. Also new is the upholstered set-to chair. This is a whole new look for the chair, very elegant. And some new Geiger offerings for seating, the Deft and A-line chairs, as well as a great new wood side chair. This is called the Full Twist chair. And here we have the Saya chair from Geiger. And, this is kind of a stretched mesh material with a nice wood base on it. And then we have Brian Graham's latest designs. This is called City Hall. You're looking at a very elegant, very clean line chair, very refined design. And finally, wrapping up the Herman Miller offering are some new colors for the Eames molded plastic chairs. Really excited stuff from Herman Miller. Alright, and headed over to the Hayworth showroom. Here we've got some of the new benching systems using the Compose system, and lots of the color orange. Really enjoying orange in the Hayworth showroom. Over here in Steelcase, this is the new Node chair, a new kind of student lounge and learning chair. Very great for collaborative environments and mobile environments. It's kind of a rolling chair with a nice tablet arm to it. And here we have the Frame 1 new benching system from Steelcase, and we've got this kind of innovative little roll-out cart here. You can see you just kind of pull that out and use that for additional storage. We're also looking at some of the Seascape offerings, as well as a new post and beam offering. And a classic always is the walk station. This is the workstation coupled with the treadmill. You can go ahead and fire off a few emails, and it's a great way to kind of get a workout during your work day. All right, next we head over to the Technion showroom for some of the new Elements and District enhancements. This is a very kind of clean line desking system with some pretty neat little storage options. Also, this is the DNA lounge system. This is a repositionable back cushion to allow for different configurations. And over in the Gunlock showroom, we're looking at some of the new seating as well as the accordion-based conference table. This pretty innovative base allows you to have some flexibility with where your floor cores are on the floor. And then here's a flat screen monitor support system with integrated whiteboards. Over in All Steel, we've got the new Stride gold winning system. The Stride benching system went along with some of these pretty innovative storage components. All right, over at the Knoll showroom, we've got some of the new antenna workspaces. This is a new kind of benching desking system with some innovative screen designs as well as storage designs. A pretty elegant system. And so now we've got some Brian Graham ref enhancements. Let's let Brian tell us more about this.
That's right. Well, we've lowered, we've enlarged, we've enhanced, and we've brought it back together again.
That's great. Thanks, Brian. And here's an innovative little storage pedestal with a couple different drawers. And a invisible track overhead sliding door. Notice there's no track along the bottom. There is a small track at the top, and also available in a kind of a cane material. And here's a nice work surface attached screen, as well as a very familiar leg detail, and also from Knoll some new tech grain colors. And here's Niels talking about his new World chair.
And that is that it's compliant. In other words, whatever your backside contour is, it adapts to that.
The Human Scale World Chair is comprised of 8 parts, which makes it very easy to recycle and a very environmentally beneficial chair. Over at Vitra, we have a Archimeda, which is this new manager table. Using a scissor lift mechanism, can go from a coffee table height to a standing height in just 9 seconds. And the Innovative Chair of the Show award goes to Vitra for this product here. It's called Chairless, which is just a simple strap that goes around your back and your knees as you sit on the floor, providing some lower back comfort. And the Innovative Marketing Idea of the Show award goes to Herman Miller for their truck planter box. In the front of the merchandise mart, they have semi-trucks lined up advertising each of the vendors. And this year, Herman Miller, instead of putting a truck, did a planter box complete with this kind of chrome marshmallow sofa. Well, I hope you've enjoyed some of the highlights from the NeoCon 2010 show. It was a great show, well attended, and a good time, and look forward to another great show next year.